Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Question 16 is also concept based. You have two graphs, one is quite thicker like this, and the other is quite thin like this. And that just means that the thinner graph has lower retentivity and coercivity. The only thing you need this thicker graph is for are permanent magnets, so that even once you remove the current, there will still be a magnetization and it will still create its own magnetic field. For everything else, where you need the current to where you need the magnetic field to change when the current changes, you need soft retentivity and soft coercivity, so you need this thinner one. That goes for electric generators, transformers, and electromagnets. The only thing you'll need this graph for will be a permanent magnet, which is not in the option. So the answer is B for electromagnets and transformers. A is not used for any of these, which means the answer is option 4. This completes the solutions. Thank you.